Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to record a video about a simple project about Java, which is we create by creating zoo management by using Java. Um, so, so this you have been hired to design simple zoo management using Java. The system should manage different type of animal and their behaviors. So here is requirement. First of all, we have to make Java class, call it animal. Second, we have to make animal class to already so to define the appropriate field, each name, string, and age, which is integer. Also, we have to define the methods like public void and make sound and public void it. Also, the third one we have to make it is create private overload method in the main class, animal and public void, and make sound integer times and public void 18. The string food type. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the code, all those things. Uh, Also, we have to make first of all we have to make it the animal class. Also, we have to make subclasses like lion, elephant, monkey. Then that inherits from animal and override make sound, eat, method divided above. The first one, lion, you have to make lion, make sound like rough, eat, elephant, monkey. Then uh, E creates two class to maintain method to execute functional projects. I'm going to show you my coding parts. So at the first of all, here is my project here. I have to make the project name, which is zoo management system. Then in the source code, I have to make the class, and the first class is I'm going to call. I'm going to click here, source, new, Java class. Then I have to write here my class, which is animal, and already I have made it. I have to call animal. Then I put here the package, which my package is zoo. Already I defined all those things. Then when I made the first class, my first animal Java class, then I have to make the subclasses, and the subclasses I'm gonna do it. Click here in zoo, then new Java class, which is subclasses of animal. So my first class is animal, and here is our code. So I would like to explain every bit code or written here. So the first of all is our package. We called our package zoo. Also, then the purpose of the so we make this package to declare package name for the class, make hobbies to organize related classes into namespace, which can avoid naming conflict and make code base more manageable. So this package zoo all classes in the same package can access from other package private or protected. Um, so uh, this one public class animal. Uh, this line declares public class animal. Uh, so the public keyword means this class can be accessed from other from from any other classes. So and this is attributes, which is a attribute name and age. We have defined this line defines two field name and age, which are attributes for animal class. Uh, the key meanings of this field can be accessed from the same package by subclasses animal. And the third thing here is our constructor. Our constructor, our constructor method. So to initialize new instance of other animal class with specified name and age. So it's this function it's used to revert to the current objective field. This is necessary to distinguish between the field and the constructor parameter. This one public void makes sound. This is our method. Our method. This method prints animal sound to the console. This functionality simulates the sound an animal might make as placeholder, and it simply prints generic message to the console. I think it's clear. You have comprehended it well. Public void eats. This is our also eat method, which is this method prints animal is eating to the console, or console means the output, our output. Also, this is our method already. So let's go our second one. This second one is our subclass. Also this is package. This is second one, subclass Java, and the code is public class lion extended animal. So Java public class lion extend. This is declare public class named lion that extends animal class. Also, there is what we call inheritance. The extend is inheritance, and an animal part means that lion is a subclass of animal inheriting its property and method. This establishes an is a relationship. Lion is an animal. This one is our constructor. Constructor super and age, which is takes two parameter name and age, passes them to the constructor subclass, and there's also here override. This override method, it's a method which makes sound method in animal same class, and here override there is annotation. Annotation indicates that this method is intended to override method in the superclass, and instead of printing an animal sound, it prints 0, which is specific to lion. And there is also a public void eat, which is for each method. Also here is element externus. Also we have explained this is override method, and this is our eating method. So inheritance Already we explained, and then uh, we have to uh, proceed. And here main key here is also same. Our inheritance um, method, constructor, and override method, uh, which is makes this eating planner make sound, and each method which provides basic implementation to the and to the makes eating print to the console eating planner. So let's proceed to our last class. In this public class zoo, this class declares public class name zoo, and public keyword means that class can be accessed anywhere. And here our void public class static void, which is our main method. This entry point of the program main method is where program starts executing, and public means like it is called from anywhere. Static means it belongs to a class rather than an instance of a class. Void means it doesn't return to value. And here string and argument means this parameter for command line arguments. And now we are creating instance of animal, and like this line creates instance of lion, elephant, monkey, which is each name and age. Functionality is the constructor for this class initiates the name and age of the field and inherits from animal class. Uh, this let's demonstrate the method override. Um, this this block of code demonstrates how each animal class override that makes sound and each method from the animal class. For the lion, it prints raw. It prints raw. So let's proceed, and with our last method is polymorphism to demonstrate um, the, the purpose of this block to demonstrate polymorphism through method overload. So the lion makes sound 3 times. Call is overload makes sound. Method to print raw 3 times. Also elephant eat fruits. Call is the overload eat method to print eating fruit. Monkey makes sound 2 times. Call is the overload make sound method to print data 2 times. So the summary of this project. Um, First of all, the zoo management, the main class containing the main method, instance, creating instance of lion, elephant, and monkey, which is a specific name and age, which is having specific names and age. Also, we have defined method overriding, demonstrating how each subclass lion, elephant, and monkey provides its own implementation of make sound and eat method. Also, we have defined this method polymorphism, which is demonstrating polymorphism through method overloading, where method with the same name performs different tests based on their parameters. And here is our output, demonstrating our output, and we have successfully run our output, and it shows